Hello friends, today we'll talk about the iRemote and Arduino. I made this device, see how it works. This time you also see a bunch of wires, and like last time I will teach you to connect without drawing or diagram. This will be easy if you master the basic principle of connection. To create this progress you will need two servo motors, a laser diode, 3-color LED and resistors with resistance of at least 100 ohms. I hope you know how to connect the LED. LED is always connected to digital outputs of the Arduino. I will now show displays in the program code. We use 11, 12 and 30 digital outputs of the Arduino board. Servo motors have 3 wires, G and G plus and signal wire, which is always connected to the digital outputs of the Arduino. The brown wire is G and G, the red is plus and the yellow is connected to digital output of the Arduino. Do not forget that only this servo motor or its equivalent can be directly connected to the Arduino. In all other cases, a separate power supply will be required. Let's find the place in the program code that defines the digital outputs for servo motors. The laser diode also has 3 wires. You yourself understand where the signal is, plus and G and D. I hope you understand the G and D is a common minus. The digital output which the signal wire from the laser diode is connected is located here. If remain to understand how to connect the IR receiver. It also has a plus, minus and signal input which is always connected to digital outputs of the Arduino. And finally the remote control. You can use any IR remote. But if you download a program like mine, your device will not work, since each remote control box its own alphanumeric code. So what should do to make this device work for you? First, download this program, link in the video description. Select the power monitor and press the button from your iRemote. You will get a certain sequence of numbers that you need to remember and enter in the right place in the program code. So you can program any remote control. Don't forget that you will need to install the library. In most cases this is included in the standard Arduino software. That's all for now. Write, comment, subscribe to my channel and subscribe to my new Facebook page, which notes bye bye. Sincerely, Yuri Kovalenek.